Toastmaster Sateesh, please be here. Please be here, Toastmaster.
Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I'm going to talk about a person today who was the past president of Medley. And to my knowledge, he is the brand lawyer of our club as well, who has joined as a lawyer about 5-7 years back with the same club. And he is the father of two beautiful, intelligent daughters and an obedient husband as well. He is serving currently as the area director of Division I, who is Sunil Jose. Thank you, Jeremy. I know this person about 5 years back. We served about 2-3 ExCom roles and the same ExCom officers roles in a couple of years. This person is very fond of procrastination. You know, he can be fond of it. What is fun about talking about procrastination? Many of us think procrastination is something as untouchable and negativity, right? But this person took this procrastination to such a higher level. Even today, I'm admiring how do I learn this art. I'll tell you an example. So he served this club as a secretary. Second time, meaning he served 2 times as secretary. When he was serving this office as second time, I hardly see him in the club meetings. But every Tuesdays and Wednesdays, somehow I get the MOM as like any other member. Might be the push from the then president, but somehow we get minutes. But I see a small line at the end of the minutes in the email saying, courtesy to Anusha, courtesy to Janani, courtesy to those names. Then I realized the secret behind these MOMs and consistencies, everything. Believe me, friends, he generated 10 secretaries in a term of 6 months. Don't get confused because we can't have more than secretaries, but he created 10 deputies on week after week. Whenever he could make it, he makes MOMs. Even one fine day, I was very curious. Someone was restless and sitting and writing. I thought, okay, he is the secretary for the day. Then I suddenly turned back and saw even Sunil was sitting. That's when I understand his level of procrastination and positivity. Even the day he came, he gave an opportunity for someone. Amazing, isn't it? So this doesn't falls into the negativity part because he brought in results, right? Everyone who were not attending a meeting, we were able to see different journals of minutes of meetings on every week after week. So this person not stopped with his procrastination on assigning roles. He started collecting all this and delivered a speech in the name of time killing machine, and he was no doubt won the best speaker for the day about procrastination. Believe me, friends, procrastination can bring huge results. After all this procrastination moments, he persevered parallelly as an ExCom officer, brilliantly, not to write it off his abilities. He served the club and he became the president of Medley. That term, every other term we have semi-annual and annual conferences. We had an annual conference, district conference happening in Chennai, and we all went in huge numbers, and we have been awarded as the second best club in District 82, the first club of Tamil Nadu. So they gave us huge applause, trophies and badges and everything. After the meeting is over, he brought back the badges and everything. He started displaying it on the desk for a few meetings. After meeting, he couldn't control his enthusiasm and excitement. He started displaying it like this week after week. He started displaying it to everyone. One fine day, he just stopped it. At least, when you show this, what you say, okay, good, congrats, everything. And one fine day, one person, he just stopped it and he was absolutely silent. He has not responded. Then when we looked at it, I was enjoying the snack at the end of the meeting. I noticed he was the person who was serving the snacks in the Gandhinagar. He did not let him also. And we went ahead and shown this badge, and I pulled him that day. Today, with the help of Balaji and Achintya, I found this in the bag. I not gave it back to him until today. That's the level of emotional attachment he holded to this badge, and he was showing to everyone. That fine day, I noticed it, and it is going to a level where we are showing it to even the person, hospitality team of this club. I pulled it back. I still remember once Sambut from outside India also called us and asked what is this number 2 and everything. No, it has reached that much level for people about his enthusiasm. Finally, the procrastination doesn't stop him in the XCOM level or his speeches. It has continued in his life as well. But why this peace pigeon, right? So he is the person who controls differences within the XCOM, and he is very much obedient, as I mentioned already. His daughter also will oblige. He is an obedient husband as well at home, and he is an obedient area director of Division I. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Sateesh, for that real funny, wonderful speech. Next up, we have HPL presentation. Well, I might be very much curious what it is about, and even I'm curious. To take us through this presentation, we have a speaker, someone who is being a budding entrepreneur, who has done her college in Salam and